What makes IKO the preferred vendor for roofing companies? Well, IKO towers above the competition with performance innovations like ArmourZone, a reinforced nailing strip designed to withstand nail pull-through, leading to fewer callbacks. Roofers also love IKO's ROOFPRO member benefits, like marketing funds, a free lead gen platform, extended warranties, partner discounts, and support services. Then, there's the True Square Advantage, which guarantees 100 square feet in every 3 bundles. This is much more coverage than most competitors, meaning it lowers costs and increases profits. What's more, IKO's commitment to vertical integration ensures they control their supply chain, meaning IKO oversees nearly every aspect of their product's quality. So do right by your customers and your business. Choose IKO Shingles every time.